In primetime news this evening, Duke and Duchess of Cambridge to arrive in Jamaica Tuesday for 3-day visit. 16-year-old stabbed to death as schoolyard dispute turns deadly at William Nib High. And 4 of 10 men listed by the police in Denham Town as wanted for yesterday's shooting turned themselves in. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports, sports commentary, e-prime, and weather. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the 3-day visit by the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge to Jamaica, which begins tomorrow? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.